Namaste to all students. Khushro Bitiya, myself JVN Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about non-radioactive labeling of molecular crops, and this session is related to recombinant DNA technology course of program BTech FBT and BSc BT 6th trimester. So what is non-radioactive labeling means we, we can use we can label molecular probes without radioactive isotopes, and compared to radioactive labels, the use of non-radioactive labels have several advantages. For example, which is major, it's safe and higher stability of the probe we will get, efficiency of the labeling reaction and detection, we can detect it in situ, and less time taken to detect the signal. So these are major advantages in case of radioactive labeling, and that's why it makes it better in comparison to radioactive labeling. First of all, we will discuss about biotin labeled probes. So prepared through Nick translation reaction, nucleotide replaced with biotin layered derivatives, or you can say biotin lighted derivatives. Detection of hybrids done by a series of cytochemical reaction which gives final blue color. Color intensity proportional to the amount of biotin in hybrid. Next is end labeling. End labeling of crops for hybridization is mainly used to label oligonucleotide crops. Roche Biochemicals have developed three methods for labeling oligonucleotide with deoxygenin. End labeling of DNA has single strand oligonucleotide are usually end labeled with polynucleotide kinase. It known as kinase end labeling. Label is provided in the form of a phosphate at gamma phosphate position of ATP, and polynucleotide kinase catalyzes an exchange reaction with the 5' terminal phosphate. The same procedure can also be used for labeling double-stranded DNA. Here, fragments carrying label at one end only can then be generated by cleavage at an internal restriction site and generating two differently sized fragments which can be separated by gel electrophoresis and purified. Here we can see in the diagram, this is polynucleotide kinase with the labeled phosphate group. This labeled phosphate group will attach at the 5' end. Here selected DNA and it will digest with the restriction nuclease to give overhangs at the 5' end. Then clean out DNA polymerase along with the labeled DNTPs, and they will make a complementary base pairing with the overhangings and restriction nuclease cleavage at internal site to give different sized fragments. Here we can get the labeled different size DNA fragments. If we talk about the labeling of RNA, the preparation of labeled RNA probes, which are known as riboprobes, is most easily achieved by in vitro transcription of insert DNA cloned in suitable plasmid vector. The vector is designed so that adjacent to the multiple cloning site is a phase promoter sequence which can be recognized by the corresponding phase RNA polymerase. By using a mix of the NTPs, high specific activity radio labeled transcripts or non-radio labeled transcript can be generated. So this is a sum up of non-radioactive labeling of molecular probes, and this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, then mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.